And this is the first opening that we have, which is in SEC My IT and CTRL Technology. They expanded their cybersecurity team. They want someone who can work as GRC consultant. 5 openings are there. Cybersecurity consultant. 3 openings are there. System integration specialist. 3 openings are there. Right. This is a mail ID on which you can drop your resume, and you can get a response there, and then you can start working in the company. Right. Now the next opening is basically a walk-in drive, which is basically started conducting today, and tomorrow is the date, right? And 2+ years of experience required in cybersecurity, and you're good to go. This is a location on which you can visit, right, in Pune, and yes, you might get hired, right? Next opening is basically in UAE, right? This is like experience one, 5 to 8 years of experience is required. This is GRC position. This is the mail ID on which you can drop your resume. These are the things which is qualification which is required, right? Next one is this is for freshers, right? So guys, freshers, this is for you. They want cybersecurity engineer in Saudi Arabia. This is mail on which you can drop your resume. And these are a couple of things which is exactly what they are looking for, right? So you can check out from here. Now next one is technical lead is required for cybersecurity domain, which is tech lead. CTS Tech is the company name, right? And they want 5 to 7 years of experience people. Key requirement is all those things, and this is mail ID on which you can drop it, right? Next one is someone is looking for a cybersecurity architect. Risk and compliances. It's in again Saudi Arabia, right? DevSecOps, all those things is required. You may pause this video and you can watch. That's what we have for this video. Thank you very much everyone for watching. If you have any question, please ask, as we are going to conclude this video.